Hey Richmond, it's your realtor Felix, and if you and your family are ready for townhouse living, I'm bringing you one of the most affordable you'll find here in Richmond. So, without further ado, let me take you in. Welcome to this charming 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit in Edgemere Gardens. As you walk in, you're first welcomed into your private 435 square foot front yard, perfect for outdoor gatherings and gardening. Now, let's take a look inside. This unit has a total of 1,100 square feet of interior space, prioritizing a large living and dining room, perfect for entertaining. The kitchen and both bathrooms were renovated in 2017, and the unit has just been freshly repainted, making it move-in ready. Heading upstairs, we'll find the 2 large bedrooms, giving you your privacy away from the party downstairs. Located off of Steveston Hwy, this home is just minutes away from Highway 99 and Ironwood Plaza, where you'll find a variety of shops, restaurants, the public library, and Save-On, all at your doorstep. So, are you and your family ready to make all of this your new home? If so, make sure to give me a call. I'd love to bring you in.